in this video, I am going to show you how to create a free landing page using Systeme.io. Systeme has a free forever plan. So this is an amazing platform to use. You can click the link in the description and sign up for your free Systeme account. So I already have an account. I'm going to sign in. Once you have created your account, you're going to be taken to Systeme dashboard. To create your first landing page, you're going to click on funnels. To the right, you're going to click on create. You're going to give your funnel a name. I am going to give, my freebie is going to be an ebook. So I'm just going to name it ebook. It doesn't matter what you name it, just give it a name. What kind of funnel do we want to create? We want to build an audience and collect emails. So we're going to click on build an audience. Then we are going to scroll down, click save. Once we have saved our funnel, we see my funnel here, ebook. You're going to click on it. Then you are provided with Systeme.io free templates here. You have at least 30 templates to choose from. So you can choose any template that you wish. Just for the purpose of this video, we want to create a simple landing page. So I'm just going to select this. If you want, before you decide which landing page you want to choose, which template you want to choose, you can preview by clicking preview template. I am just going to click select. You see on the left, you are presented with a squeeze page and a thank you page. We are going to design our squeeze page first. So you want to click edit page. Now we are at Systeme. We are at our template. If you notice, the template looks like our website. What we are going to do to create our landing page, we want to first delete any unnecessary pages that we do not want. We are doing a one-page landing page. Right here, we just want this area here. We are going to delete any unnecessary things that we do not need. All I need to do is hover my mouse or your cursor. When it turns green, you just, on the right, you delete. You see the bin, delete, press it. Same, once I hover my mouse or my cursor over the area that I want to delete, the bin pops up to the right. So I delete, then I click. I keep doing that until all the sections that I do not want are deleted. So now that I have deleted all the unnecessary details, I am now placed with my one-page landing page. I'm going to go ahead and delete to the top. I do not want anything to the top there, so I'm going to delete that right here. Now you can customize the page however you like. The first thing we are going to do is we're going to change the background color. We're going to make it very simple. It doesn't have to be difficult to create your first landing page. Just make it simple. So the first thing we want to do is change the background color from gray to a color of your choice. So I'm just going to click that area, and to the left you want to scroll down. You see background color. You want to click on that and you can choose whatever color you like. So I'm just going to choose, just for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose this green, and you see there the background changes. Then we want to change the font. So in order to change the font, we want to click on that area. Then you want to customize it, write whatever you want to write. I'm going to put, just keeping it simple, I'll say your financial journey. So make it simple. Now, if you want to resize your font, you see font size on the left. On the typography, you can adjust the size however you like. If you want to put anything below here, you can do the same, and you can add whatever you wish here. Free ebook. Or if you don't want that section, you can always delete it. You can see once you hover your mouse or your cursor over the area, the bin pops up and you just delete anything you don't want. As simple as that. You just hover and you delete. You notice the line, the box is there. Keep hovering, keep putting your cursor, your mouse, and you delete. What if you want to change the font color? How does that work? Let's change the font color. So you want to highlight it, and to the top you see the color scheme right there. You click on it, and let's see how the white looks. I think I'm going to leave the white. You select the color you want. Same thing, you highlight, click on color scheme, and you select the color that you want right there. I'm gonna put black. Font size suit you. If you want to click bold, bold is right above. You click bold, the bold letters. Okay. So now that is simple. Let's say you want to add an image to your landing page. You do that. So it is as simple as you on the left use down to media and you see image. You can take the image and you put it right there. See it popped up right there, and you click on it. Go to your left. You see image file to the top right there. You click on image file. If your image is on your computer, you will just click upload and upload whatever. So I'm just going to select an image that I already have here. I go to my image and I just select this. That's what I found. So I'm just going to put that there. That's one of my old logos. So you see it right there. If you want to resize it, you can do so, right? You could scroll down image size and you can resize it any way you want, right? Any way you want, you can do that. If you want to align it, you see alignment. If you want to move it over to the right, you want to center it, you want to move it to the left, you can do that. All right, let's go to customizing our page here to the right. You want to put your own touch on it, whatever you want to put there, or you can just simply delete it. I'll just simply delete it because I'm keeping it simple, right? Just delete the box. Make it simple. All right, the enter full name is already there. You click on there, it pops up to the right. Enter full name. If you want to put full name in the box there, then you can write to the left. Sorry, on your left you see placeholder. You can put the word name, but enter full name is already there, so there is no need for that. But just for the purpose in case you want to know how to do that, and enter your best email. Right? Probably I just want to put email. If you want to leave enter your best email, it's your choice, but I just want to put email, so I'm going to change that to email. If you don't want, yes, I agree to receive emails from you, you can also delete that. If that is good, you leave it like that. So we want to give our lead an ebook. Instead of get started, I want to put access here. So how do I insert access here? I click on it, and to the left, I scroll down. You're going to scroll all the way until you see typography, button text. You see get started. You delete that in the text on the left, and you click access here. You can put anything you want. Probably you want to change the background color. You want to click on the color, go to the left, back to the left. Most of customizing will be done on the left. You see background color, the color there. You want to click on it, and you want to change that color to, let's just give it a simple red. Same if you want to change the white, it's the same process. You click on the area there, and you can scroll down, background color, and you can change that background color. Now, what we want to do, this is the computer view. We want to give this a mobile view so that we see how our leads are seeing this on mobile view, because sometimes computer view and mobile view, they are totally different. We want to give it a mobile view to see what we need to fix. All right, scroll. This is the mobile view, and the opt-in. This is what they're going to see. Very simple. Probably you want to change the size here. You think it's too large, so you click on it. And to your left, same, you adjust the size. Simple to fit the screen, right? I think it's too small. It's just so mobile view seems to be okay. I think that's good. You want to preview. To the top, you're going to see the eye right there. You can preview your landing page before you save it. You have a look. So when your lead or your customer clicks that link to get your freebie, this is what they're going to be presented with on computer view. We want to go back to the computer view, and something I need to highlight. So let's go back to the button, opt-in button, to get the form, to get your customer's name and email. You want to click on the button there and ensure, in order for you to receive your lead's name and email, to the left it says action when button clicked, ensure you have send form. Where do you want to redirect them after this? You want to send them to the next step, because that is going to be your thank you page. Before we opt out of this, we want to save changes that we made, and we want to arrow exit to the top there, top right. We want to customize your thank you page. You're going to click on the thank you page, and you're going to select a simple landing page. You see the templates here for your landing page, for your thank you page. I'm going to go ahead and just select this landing page, very simple. And then same process, edit page. This is your thank you page. You don't need to do much to it. We can just change the background, same process. Click, change, scroll down, background color. We can change it to the green theme. We want to remove this logo here. We want to replace this logo here, this image, with another image. So I'm going to click on it, and image file, I'm going to click on that to upload a new file. I'm going to select file. I want to select a file from my computer. I've selected a file from my computer and it is loading here now. Once it has been loaded, you'll see it right here. So this is the freebie, my free ebook that I'm going to send to my lead or to the person that enters your name and your email. They get this for free. I want to insert that. I scroll, I click on insert, and the image pops up right there. So it's a bit too big, so we want to resize it. We want to make it smaller. We click on it and we scroll down, image size, and we want to change that size. And I'm going to just name set. Simple. Right. I have to check. If you did it, check your email for your free copy. I want to resize it, so font size, same, make it smaller. There are two ways in which you can send your ebook to your lead. One, as I said, you can send it directly to their email address, or you can create a button right on the thank you page and have them download it immediately. If you want them to download it immediately, you do not want to send it to your email, then you can simply click the button right here. On the left, you want to change action when button is clicked, download file. Then you see here upload. If you have a PDF form, you want to click on that and you want to upload it right. You will click on upload and insert, and once they click, it will automatically, the file, the PDF or whatever document that you have will immediately download on their device. But if you want to send it to directly to their email address, then you will delete this button, and we want to create a campaign and add a rule. So remember, there are two ways in which you can do this. Simple way, just have them download it immediately as I showed you, and then you can change the name. And so once we have created our thank you page, we want to save. That makes save changes to the top, and we want to exit to our same process. We want to send the freebie to their email address. We want to go up to mails. I'm going to click on mails, campaigns, create. So I'm going to name it freebie. You're going to give your campaign a name, just name it freebie. There's no need to put a description, just giving it a simple name. Campaign is saved, it's called freebie. You want to click on freebie and we want to click create. Good. Give your campaign a subject, freebie. Put your name, send the name, address. If you have a domain, your sender email will be, let's say, dave@davejohn.com. If you have a domain, you can always connect that. But let's keep it simple. We're going to use our email for now. We want to save. Then we want to customize. If you want to make it more personal, then we can say hi. You want to put your name, so whoever gets access to your freebie, your name will pop up there. We want to scroll down. On the right, you'll see here first name. We want to highlight everything in the bracket. Along with the bracket, we want to highlight first underscore name, just as I'm doing it here. We want to copy that and we want to put it next to hi. So whoever it is, their name will pop up there. You want to say, here is your freebie. Or I can say, welcome to the journey of financial freedom. And I might say, here is your free book. And then click here. And you can highlight click here. Then you will click on the link button, the URL button right here. You click there. And you're going to click you put your URL here. Click the tick button, and that's it. When your lead click here, it's going to take them directly to the freebie that you promised them. Once you're fine with this email, then you can click save and do a test. If you click save and test, you're going to see how it looks, how the email looks when it comes to your when your lead gets it. If once you're okay with the message, then you're going to click save and publish, and then you just click on activate. Good. We want to exit, and now we want to add this rule. In order to add this rule, we want to go back to our funnel. We want to click ebook. This, we need to add this so that when your lead enters their name and email, when they click get the button, the get access button, we want to trigger our campaign that we created to go directly to their email. So in order to do that, we want to click on the squeeze page, so to the top there. Then we want to go over to automation rules. You want to scroll down, click on add rule. So you want to click on funnel step form subscribe. Our customer contact has just subscribed to a form. So you want to click on that. Now that we have added that rule, you want to click on it. Funnel step form, you want to click on it. Then you're going to click on add action. You're going to click on subscribe to campaign. This is where you're going to add the campaign that you just created. You have only created one. So you're going to choose campaign. You click on there, your freebie. You click on that and you save that rule and you are finished. And that's it. Probably you're wondering, how am I going to send the link? How am I going to access the link? You want to access your squeeze page link. That's the first page that your lead will be clicking on. So you want to click on, ensure that you're clicked on the squeeze page. And to the bottom, you say URL part. To your right, you see the URL button to copy your personal link. You just click on copy and that's it. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Let's see if it works. When I insert the link, it opened the profile. I'm going to put in my name. I'm going to put in my email address. Yes, I agree. And then you're going to say access here. So when I click access here, it should take me to my thank you page, which it did. So it worked. Then the freebie should be sent directly to your lead's email address. So once someone has opted in, go back to dashboard. When someone has opted into your email list, they will pop up here. So you see here, new lead 1. That's how you create your simple landing page completely for free using Systeme.io. I hope that this video was helpful to you. Leave me a comment, any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help. All right, bye.